English class. Dialogue 1. Listen. Hello, what's your name? Hi, my name is Mark. And you? My name is Tom. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Tom. Where do you live? I live in Salvador, Bahia. Where do you study? I study at Cléber Pacheco High School. Do you work? No, I don't. What do you do on weekends? I like playing video games and I like watching movies on Netflix. Okay, Mark, I have to go now. See you later. Okay, Tom, bye. Dialogue 1. Repeat. What's your name? Where do you live? Where do you study? Do you work? What do you do on weekends? Dialogue 1. Repeat. My name is. I live in. I study at. No, I don't. Yes, I do. I like watching movies and series. I like listening to music. I like dancing. I like meeting friends. Listen to audio dialogue and expressions. Practice in your home and in the classroom. See you!